Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply or set different tax on different product for different countries in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we have two product, organic product. So this is our another product. So we are going to set different tax or VAT rate for different product for different countries. Now go to setting. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting, and then you see text. So click on it. By default, one default tax group assign on all product in Wix store. If you set tax or VAT percentage, then same tax apply on all product in Wix store. Now go to product. So this is all our product. Now open any product. So we are in organic product page, and then scroll down. Now you see product tax group, product default rate. So this is our default tax group assigned to all product. If you set tax or VAT percentage, then same tax apply on all product. Now go to setting. So we are going to create tax group first. Now scroll down. Now you see tax setting. Tax should be added at checkout, and then you see tax group optional. So you can create custom group for items. Now you see add custom group. So click on it. Now you see pop up add a new group. You will need to assign this group to the item or product that need special rate or different rate. So you can add group name according to requirement. So we added group name specific tax and then click on add. So you can create multiple group. Now you see specific tax was added. So we are going to assign product. Now you see 0 product in this tax group. Now click on add product. Again you see pop up. Now you see all product we have. If you want, you can select all or you can select according to requirement. Now you see organic, we select and then click on save. So we assign one product in this tax group and other all 12 product exist in default tax group. Now you see, and then scroll up, you see add location. So click on it. So we are going to add countries. Now select. So our location is Pakistan. Now select Pakistan. Now you see Pakistan. Now select. If you want, you can set tax rate individual for province. So click on add. Now added. So we are in tax Pakistan. Now you see product. So this is our default group and this is our new tax group we created. So we are going to set tax percentage. So now 10% for specific tax, product default group tax percentage or VAT 5. Also you see advanced mode, enable this. If you want, you can set rate name. Now you see sales tax. So this is for Pakistan, product default group tax rate percentage 5 and specific tax group 10% remaining 0. Now you see rate name tax. So you can select countries, United States of America, US, United Kingdom, UK, any Europe country, and then click on save. So after that we are going to add one more country. Now you see Pakistan was added. Now you see 0 to 10%. So we are going to add more countries. So click on it, select country. Now you see United States. If you want, you can select. Also you see United Kingdom. So it's up to you. Now you see Germany. Now select and then you see set up tax for every state. Now you see Germany state. So it's up to you. And then click on add. Now you see Germany added. Now you see product, service, cancellation fee, shipping, specific tax for Germany, 20% for specific tax and 15% for product default group. So this is different tax on different product for different countries, remaining 0. And then click on save. If you want, you can set rate name also. Enable advanced mode. Now you see Germany was saved. Now setting save. So you can create more custom group and assign product, and then you can assign different tax for different countries. Now go to cart page. Our location is Pakistan. Now refresh the page. Now you see organic product from different tax group. I am a product from different tax group. Now you see tax 5. Now increase quantity. Now you see 7. If we are select another country, now click on it. Now select Germany and then click on update. Previous $7. Now you see tax for this country, $15 for different product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.